Let's start making our DIY matching magnets. I first started by printing and laminating these sheets. Then I cut around it and then along the center line of each image. Here I am just opening a pack of magnets that I bought at the dollar store. Just remove the backing and then you stick it on the back of each piece. That way, when your child is playing around with it and putting it on the fridge or whatever magnetic surface, they can match the halves to each other, they can match the images to each other, they can mix and match and enjoy while you cook. Alright, once you've stuck a magnet to each piece, this is the final outcome. This is how it's going to look. You can put it on whatever magnetic surface that you choose. We're going to put it on the fridge. Here I am just setting it up so that my daughter can play with it. Hope you enjoyed, and if you do decide to make your own DIY matching magnets, then be sure to tag me. I'd love to see it.